So the city of Portland has about 4,800, between 4,800 and 5,000 lane miles. About 1,800 of them are considered busy streets. Those are the collector arterials that people use every day. That's what freight and transit use, and that's probably what most people use getting to their work. 48% are in poor or very poor condition. And what that means is that they are past the point of what is preventative maintenance. There's quite a few different things that could be done for safety. There's 343 miles of the busy streets that do not have sidewalks. What that means is people are walking, either on the side of the road, or sometimes if there's no shoulder, they're right on the edge of the road, which means it's a dangerous thing not only for the pedestrians themselves, but also for the folks driving as well. I think the main thing I'd say is that with all of these things, the longer you wait, especially for the maintenance, the more expensive it becomes. And that's what we're really trying to do on these things, is get back to basics, doing preventative maintenance so that we don't have to do the costly repairs later on.
I work with a company called Northwest Tree Specialist. We're running a fleet of about 45 vehicles every day running down the road. Just to give you a general idea, on a day that I'm out doing property walks or looking at and doing appointments, I can drive anywhere from 75 to 150 miles a day in the city of Portland. My office is on wheels. I live on the road. One of the largest problems that we have is kind of double-fold. When you're running a loaded truck around on a road that have lots of bumps, potholes, uneven surfaces, those suspensions wear out much, much faster. So we have the maintenance issue alone is astronomical. It would be nice to see a focus or some additional funds put towards basic maintenance. The savings would be astronomical. Yeah, you're paying $100 in taxes, but you're saving $500 in maintenance. It's not just for going to and from the grocery store, going to the mall. It's commerce, it's fire and safety. I mean, there's all of these things that come into play. Good roads equal a good society.
Yo pienso que las carreteras por donde yo transito diariamente, hay áreas donde no están en buenas condiciones porque necesitamos como tener banquetas o áreas de cruce de peatones, y eso es un problema que hemos tenido para nosotros que acostumbramos a caminar. Necesitamos las banquetas, que es algo muy necesario para poder sentirnos un poco más seguros al caminar. Los niños a veces, por ser pequeños, no se enfocan mucho en mirar por todos lados por donde van caminando. Entonces, si no van acompañados por un adulto, pueden tener accidentes. Pienso que no es un lujo, sino es una necesidad que realmente, si podemos ver las avenidas, no existen banquetas, y siendo una avenida muy transitada por personas como nosotras, con nuestros hijos, yo pienso que sí necesitamos realmente esos servicios.